So I normally start my analysis on the weekly time frame. So on the weekly time frame, hope you guys can hear me. So on the weekly
Yes,
time
loud
frame, you
and
can
clear.
see
Hear
that
you.
gold has been bullish. Yeah, you can see that gold has been very bullish. So this weekly shows that gold is still in a strong bullish trend. As you can see, you can see a very strong bullish trend. And where do we have gold? Like where do we have gold retracing into for a buy to continue? We also have this place. We have this gap that is here for gold. We have this gap for gold. This is the first gap that we have. This is the first gap that we have for gold. And then we also have this gap. Hold on, please. Yeah. Okay, so I wanted to move my tools up. So yeah, we have this gap also that we have the price left here last week. This opening, the price left on gold. So what am I anticipating this week for gold? I'm anticipating price to either come I'm anticipating price to either come down here to fill this place and then continue buying. So it has just been buying. So I'm expecting price to either come back here to fill this gap, which is like the most likely scenario, or maybe come back down here. But for for this week, this is what I am looking at for price to at least come back down here to fill this place in the weekly time frame. So let's go to the lower time frame. So let's go to the 1 day time frame and see. This place already filled, so there's nothing here for price to come down. So our new POI now point of interest is around somewhere here. We have here also a gap that price could we have here also a gap that price could come fill. Yeah, please don't mind me once I'm getting strict. But yeah, we have this place and then we have this place. We also have this gap here. So in as much as gold is very bullish, we have some retracement that I am expecting it to do, either to this place and then up, or to either to this place and then up, or to this place at least before going up. Why would I be looking at this place? Most importantly is because of where it is in the market. So people are looking at what gold is doing. Gold broke structure here, broke structure here to the upside, gold broke structure here to the upside. We have this our last low, this our low that caused this move, that actually swept liquidity from here. expect liquidity from here. So either we use this place as our POI, or then markets can do whatever it likes and come to fill this place. But what I am looking at most especially for gold is this zone. Is this zone. Because looking at this daily range like this and looking at the Fibonacci, because I use the Fibonacci to trade. Looking at the Fibonacci, we have our discount below here. So looking at the POI now, this is like the only POI that is strong enough for price to hold. This place is also a strong zone, 38%. But I don't think because of all this momentum that price has had this whole week, price may want to do a little bit of the deep retracement, at least to gather more liquidity before it continues in its movement. So I am looking at gold coming down to this place. But while I'm still looking at gold coming down to this place, I'm also observing what will happen here. So these are my two POIs observing the most. But if I see a reaction around here, I would also trade. But yeah, I'm going to wait for confirmation to see a bullish change of character around the zone before I decide to take. There is my zone I'm watching. So let's go to the daily time frame because definitely we're not trading in the daily time frame. So this is just for us to get our bias. So we go to the 4 hour time frame and see what the 4 hour time frame is saying. So now we still have our gap here and our break of structure. You guys know the break of structure. This is our break of structure. And this whole place now is our range that we are working with. This place is our trading range. So what are we expecting now on the 4 hour time frame? The 4 hour time frame is still very much bullish. We have not had enough retracement. So like I said earlier, I was still waiting for price to come back down here. So let's go if you can see a short trade to the so on the 30 minutes time frame, you can see low the last low that price created here, like after this move that we have here, the price went up and came back down. We failed to see a close down here. We failed to see a close above. Sorry, we've just been having weak, and then we saw this push down this place. This last low has been taken now. Last low has been taken out, but the issue now is that price did not take out the low with the body. So I can't even say that we had like a proper change of character on gold. So as price did not take it the body. So if that this was taken out with the body, I would have been looking to sell gold. But it wasn't taken out with the body. So for me, I don't have any intention to sell this market. So now that we have seen price come very close to this gap but didn't feel it and then rejected up, I'm expecting price to either come back to fill to this gap, give a change of character, maybe something like this, maybe something like this. Then up. This is what I'm expecting in this place because I have not seen any reason to sell. If this had broken with the body now, maybe something like this. This is too small for me. It's not the whole trend. But if we had seen something like this happen here with the body, I would have been looking to sell gold from around somewhere above here. But now I didn't see anything like that, so I am not looking to sell gold at all when the market opens. So I am just going to sit out and wait for bullish confirmation for gold. So this is what I have. Either I see something like this on gold, either I see something like this on gold, or I wait for a proper body close below this place, then I look to sell. So this is what I have for gold. This is just my projection for gold. Is there anybody that have something different or something else that they're expecting gold to do? Can you guys hear me?
Yes, yes, you can hear it.
Let me put it in.
Yes, I can hear you.
Yeah, so does anybody have like anything different that they want to does it do you guys even understand what I just said?
Yeah, I
Yeah, so this
understand
is
what
what
you're
I'm
saying.
expecting for yeah, this is what I'm expecting for good. If it's that we had like a break of structure, I would have been expecting maybe a sell from around somewhere here, but now we didn't have the break and I would not be selling because according to my rules, it has to be a body break for it to be confirmed break of structure, for it to be a confirmed change of character. And since I didn't have that, I'm going to be taking this as maybe a liquidity, like an inducement to this POI, and then waiting for price to come and give me a confirmation that it might hold this place. And if I don't see that confirmation and I see a break below this place, then I'm going to be waiting a a fair value gap and an order block that will confirm that yes, price is going to retrace from somewhere here and fall at least to this place. So that's just it for good.